Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So, we've finally completed the design of this first frame and its connections, and thus we may continue and copy these components across the y-axis direction, and which of course will permit us to complete the overall design of our structure. Nonetheless, and before we do so, let's first take a quick look at a very important subject, and which is related to the structural properties of the members in this frame, or in this case, that pertaining to the analytical model of the structure. As an example, let's define the combinations corresponding to the ultimate and service limit state. Let's proceed as follows. Here we have both combinations now defined and forming part of the information contained within this model. Finally, let's specify the design code corresponding to this project. And let's just click on OK to confirm this configuration and exit this dialog. So to continue, another thing we may do is placing the supports of this model, or what is also known as boundary conditions.